The 2018 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, power moonroof. Come see the car for yourself.